Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve the system restore with the error code 0x81000202 in Windows 11 computer, and reads there was unexpected error in the property page. The volume shadow copy service used by System Restore is not working. For more information, view the event log with 0x81000202. So this error commonly indicates that the BSS volume shadow copy service upon which System Restore depends for creating and managing a restore point is malfunctioning. Most frequent cause of this error is that the volume shadow copy service is disabled or corrupted, damaged system file so, and hence not running properly. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to ensure volume shadow copy service is running. So, kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung services, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa services and services local, at dito sa right side, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung volume shadows copy. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. So once na-locate mo na yung volume shadow copy, and then next step, so kailangan mo lang i-select and double click. And then dito sa kanyang properties at dito lang sa general, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito sa startup type, and then i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan and select mo lang dito yung automatic. And then dito sa kanyang service status, and then i-click mo lang dito yung start and wait natin. And dito sa baba, i-click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright? In hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to verify system protection settings. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung system protections. Ayan. And then, ito yung makikita mo na create a restore point. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung open. And pop up itong system properties. So, dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung system protections. And the next step, so dito lang sa protection settings, and then dito lang sa right side sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung configure, restore settings. So i-click mo lang yan. And then pop up itong kanyang system protections. So dito lang sa restore settings, so kailangan lang naka-turn on system protection. So i-select mo lang yan. Kung naka-disabled siya, so kailangan mo lang i-click yung turn on system protections. And then dito sa baba, i-click mo lang dito yung apply, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes, and then click mo lang dito yung okay, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. And then next solution na pwede natin gawin is to run SFC and DSM scan. So kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsm space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. So copy lang natin yan, control plus C, and then dito ay kailangan lang natin i-paste. So kung gamitin mo yung keyword shortcut na control plus B, and press mo lang yung enter. And deployment image and servicings management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat and then yung /scan now ay one word yan and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verifications, phase of system scan. So dito ay kailangan ulit natin na hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. At dito lang sa start menu and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix system restore with the error code 0x81000202 in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.